right, class, yesterday we worked on modeling equations so that we could see how to get rid of positive and negatives on the side with the variable, and then add that same thing to the other side, okay? Which side should you start on when you're solving an equation? Garrett?
The side with the variable.
The side with the variable, right. Now, we're going to work on solving equations, but instead of just modeling them, we're going to use real numbers, we're going to write real numbers, and we're going to prove our solution and check it. So, first, what's the goal when solving an equation? Remember the goal. What are we trying to do to solve it, or to prove our solution? Max?
Trying to get the variable all by itself.
Good. Repeat that. Trying to get the variable all by itself on one side. Okay? In order to do that, we're going to add either the positive or the negative of the number that's on the same side with the variable in order to get 0. Okay? We want to get rid of the 24 in this case. So to solve this equation, n plus 24 equals 52, we add negative 24 to both sides. Start on the side with the variable, n plus 24 equals 52, and add negative 24 to 24. Now, what's left on this side?
N.
Just n, yep. Then, add negative 24 to the right side. 52 plus negative 24. What do we have to do to solve that? Do we add? We subtract. Why?
Because it's negative.
Because one is positive and the other is negative. If they were both negative, what would we do?
Add.
We would add them. If they were both positive, what would we do?
Add.
No, then we would
Subtract.
So, when we are adding negative, remember when adding positive and negative, if they're both negative, you are adding. If one is negative and one is positive, then you're subtracting. Okay? And finding the difference. Now, this proves that n equals 28, right? Here's how we check the solution. You check a solution by replacing the variable with the solution that you found and making sure that both sides are equal. Okay? If you got an answer, let's say that you did add these, and you did 2 plus 4 is 6, and 5 plus 2 is 7, and you put that number there, 76. Is 76 plus 24 equal to 52?
Yeah.
No. You know right away you did something wrong.
Yes.
Okay? Maybe you added wrong, maybe you subtracted wrong, maybe you started on the wrong side and you added negative 52. So you can check your solution by doing that. Okay? Let's go to another one. Here's the steps for solving these. Okay? First, always copy the problem. You have to copy the problem. Then, draw a line to separate the two sides. That helps you to see what's on one side and what's on the other side. Then, start on the, what?
Side with variable.
Good. Start on the side with the variable. Add its opposite. So if we have positive 23, we add negative 23. And that leaves just our variable. Then add the same number to the other side. So we're adding the same number to both sides. Always add the same number to both sides. And then find the solution. in this case, 20 plus negative 23 is negative 3. Right? Now, how could we check it? Who remembers how to check the solution?
Oh, me. Oh.
How do you check the solution? Merlin?
You replace what you brought for the, for your
Solution.
solution, yes, and you add those two and so you get your answer.
Right. Replace the solution into the original spot of the variable. Negative 3 plus 23 is 20. Is that true?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. So you got the right answer. Okay? Any questions on this process? Always start on the side with the variable.
Variable.
Yep, and get the variable by itself. Okay?